The conspiracy theory concocted by right-wing commentators was this. The 26-year-old Rich, who worked for the Democratic National Committee, had leaked DNC emails to WikiLeaks. It wasn't the Russians who did it. The murder was committed by someone with ties to the DNC as a retaliatory action. Never mind that there was and is no evidence of that. Hannity was happy to look at that part of his TV and radio shows.
Is there any evidence that he might have been with Bernie Sanders and the unfairness and the Trump was in to put Hillary in that position and maybe had evidence of that?
But again, there was no evidence at all. It was all made up.